Hello again, and to continue to deal with the trauma of this book. So I was happy to find out that just a typical standard like 1/2 inch binder here will match up with the holes from that particular thingy, whatever, that I had purchased, the nail art thing dispenser. And then I measured the thickness with my calipers of this tip here, which it was like 4 point something, whatever. So I got these, which I think out of all the different ones that I searched for on Amazon were kind of the most perfect fit, I guess, even though I still have to customize them. But they were pretty inexpensive. I can put a link into the description for anybody that wants them. They're I think like a little over a 1/2 inch, like maybe 3/4 of an inch or something, but it's 5 millimeters thick. And you can't put it on the bottom part here. You have to put it onto the top part here. And all I did, like here, we'll do the next page together. I lined this up here. Take another one off. You need to cut it in half as close as possible. And hopefully these are sticky enough. I just kind of held this down, push it up against there, and then push it down, move it to the other side, hold it in place, push it down. And then for the bottom ones, it kind of sits up against this little part of the tippy thing. And these honestly still could be a little bit taller than what they are, because I'll show you in a minute. When you close the pages on here, let's move this up here more so that we can see it better in the camera. When you close it in between the pages, it like barely touches. So this is definitely going to provide a really good cushion, you know, to this thing. But just from me like flipping it and closing it, like look, it split in half when I was doing all the testing and everything. So I'm definitely going to save this one, right? Because I need them all. But my forward thinking fear of clients just being like, meh, or, you know, flippy, and not really paying attention to the fact that they have to be gentle, totally came to fruition with this thing, because it super quickly of just me being casual like that, not forcing, it totally split. So I would love to hear if anybody else has discovered anything different or a better thingy for here. I know I at least have enough for these pages to do like the 4 whatever on the corners, but I really might go through and do another one like in the middle or something. I don't know, because this, again, this is super expensive. So I really want to make sure that this is going to be taken care of, essentially, because I cannot. If someone ends up busting them, I will probably cry. So here's my update. Hope it helps.